Hello my friends, and welcome back to another great episode of PinkToolGirl. Today we're going to be talking about DIY concrete tabletops. We're going to talk about adding glitter to them and a product review at the end of why or why not we would go with this technique. So let's get started. For budget-friendly home improvement advice where we help you save more so that you can do more in your home, make sure you hit that bell and subscribe today so that you don't miss out on a single episode. Okay, my friends, I wanted to give you a quick background on this project. So we did a tabletop because Andy and I were trying to decide if we wanted to commit 100% to doing concrete countertops. In doing so, we knew, since neither one of us had ever worked with concrete medium before, we wanted to try some sample products in order to see if we A, liked it, 2, could add some bells and whistles, and 3, if we were going to use it, how could we use that product in another area of our home. So today, we're going to show you how we did a sample project of concrete and we used it as a tabletop. It's on our front porch and it is definitely still there today, and it just makes the tabletop look prettier. 2, I wanted to see if I could add glitter, and when you flipped it over, did it have the effect that I was trying to go for? So I'll show you at the end of this. 3, we were trying to decide what kind of form we were going to do. There were 2 types, either building it from the cement board and putting the rim around it, or we could have done it with melamine and then flipped it over. So we were trying to decide which one was going to be best for our countertops. So this one is building a form with melamine. And then the last thing is I'm going to do a product review as once it was done and we flipped it over and we saw what the glitter was like, what were things that we learned so that we didn't have those, what I would consider concrete flaws in our concrete countertops. So let's get started.
I want to first start out by saying there's not one right way to do this project. It ends up being what it is that looks best for you, and that's why we specifically talk about doing some trial and error pieces. We did about 4 pieces that we've used around our house in order to see if we liked working with the medium of concrete. We like it. It's actually way more versatile than I ever imagined. I had never used it up until a couple of years ago, so I just want to kind of put that in the back of your head. Now, as far as this form is concerned, we used the melamine. We did measure the tabletop that we were going to use it on because we didn't want an overhang. We wanted it to fit exactly on top of it. So once we just cut pieces of the melamine in order to make the form. That way it was just a clean, straight edge. We weren't trying to use a form that was more decorative. So we're going to have, just a complete form. And then I put the glitter in the bottom because my concept of this pour was that the bottom is going to end up being flipped over and be the top. So that's why I spread out the glitter completely all over the place. I didn't care if it was chunked up a little bit because I figured some of the excess would probably come off and that the rest would kind of seep into the concrete. At least that was my desired thought process when I did it this way. So I went ahead and I did mix it a little bit by hand. As you can see, I just did little portions of it, and I was making sure the consistency was the same. And when I would pour it on, I wanted to make sure that glitter stayed on the top surface of it, even though I was pouring the concrete on. So that was my desired result. Just so that you know, you could have mixed the glitter inside the concrete. What I found though was that unless you used a massive amount of glitter, and I don't remember the thickness of this piece, but my whole concern was that the glitter would get lost in a portion that I wasn't going to even see. So that's why I did not mix that glitter like you would a paint additive. I have used it in paint where you mix the glitter pack into the paint, and then the paint surface is far thinner than what this concrete surface was going to be. I think this was maybe a ½ inch or to an inch. I don't remember for sure. Probably, well, whatever the thickness of the melamine board is. But I put it in by hand because, again, I didn't want that glitter to be patchy. And I spread it out just to make sure that glitter on the bottom was going to get in. Now, when I do the review at the end, you're going to see how it actually turned out and maybe what I would have done differently. But this was what I decided for sample piece number 1. You'll see that I'm using a rubber mallet in order to tap on all edges. It's still pretty runny of concrete and bubbles will start to pop up, and I did not want this surface to be porous or bubbly. So what we found out, and frankly by when we ended up doing a concrete countertop, I actually used a sander to vibrate the bubbles out of it, and we did it way longer than what we did for this piece, and you'll be able to tell at the end the result why. But I used a rubber mallet in order to kind of shake up those bubbles and get them to the top so then I could smooth them out with a trowel. Now I wanted the bottom surface, so we're going to flip this surface over onto the top of our tabletop. So I wanted both surfaces to be very straight. So I did use the trowel in order to make sure that it was the surface was flat, and then in the end, and I don't even show you, I use a board to go across both edges to again make sure that it is level. I had to, for making sure that it dried right, you'll see that I actually used wooden shims right there on the side in order to make sure that my table was level so that I had a level tabletop when I was done with this form. You will want to fuss with this a little bit in order to get those bubbles out. So once you get all the concrete in, make sure that you take several times to fill in the cracks with any excess concrete that you can see if you start to see the bubbles come up and then it drops below that surface. Because in the end, you really do want a very flat surface. So you will want to take some time with this stage to kind of get it to where it is, and then the concrete will set and there will be no more opportunities. So take the time now to really settle it in so that you can get it as flat as possible. Well, here's the reveal of our final product. After we allowed it to cure, we did flip it over. So this is the top portion. As you can see, there are still crevices or holes that did remain. We just did not shake it enough to get those bubbles out from the very bottom. Another thing that we discovered was the glitter certainly took in areas of the concrete and it definitely settled within some of those crevices. But as an overall wash of glitter, I did not like the inconsistency that we got as a final product. And admittedly, when I did take this to the concrete countertop that we did, which I'll link below in the description, we did not use glitter because we could not find a way to make this work so that it didn't look clunky.
So I hope you enjoyed this project, and to me it's twofold. One, if you are going to do concrete countertops, you need to know whether you're going to build the form the way that we did in the video, or in the concrete countertop videos that I have below, you can see other ways that you can pour concrete for your concrete countertops. Two, if you are considering doing concrete countertops, I thoroughly suggest that you do what we did and try out a tabletop, or you can try, we have numerous ideas that you can use for products to put around your house using concrete, but yet not going full-fledged into the whole concrete countertop. But we strongly suggest you try it out and see what it's like, how long does it cure, what kind of stain that you do, in order to get you started in that process of doing concrete countertops. So I hope you enjoyed this project, and if you liked what you see, please make sure you subscribe, because we like to deliver these types of tips and tricks and tutorials for you on the weekly basis. So don't miss out on those, and until next week, we'll talk to you soon. The next thing that you want to do is get your free ultimate home improvement guide that we provide. In the description below, there's a link. This guide is going to help you in 3 different areas. First, it's going to help you plan the projects that you're going to be doing in your kitchen or in your home. It's going to help you with the budgeting portion of those projects to make sure that you've included everything for that project. And the third thing is that it's going to give you tips and tricks in order to save time or money, in order for you to save more so that you can do more in other areas of your home. So again, go ahead in the description below and get that link to your free Ultimate Home Improvement Guide checklist.